Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to set a nickname on TikTok. Now if you want to set a nickname of the person on TikTok but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to customize or set the nickname on TikTok, then you need to simply open the TikTok app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store, but who doesn't install TikTok now? So after that you need to open the TikTok app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that you need to click on the option of inbox, which will be at the very bottom of the screen, and there you will see the number of person and you need to choose the person name which you want to change the nickname. So click on the name of the person at the very top, and from here you need to simply long press on the person's name. From here you need to click on the option of share icon at the very top right, and there you will see the various options like customize name, report, mute their post, block, remove this follower, and on. So click on the option of customize name, which is also like the pen like icon. So you may simply give any nickname to the person you have clicked on and click on the option of save. So after doing all of it, you will be able to see the nickname has been given, and you simply cancel this. Then as you can see, the name has been changed at the very top. So that's it. That's how you can give the nickname on TikTok. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.